This is weekly recap of trading week January 24th, 28th. Among 11 stocks on a watch list, 9 gave entry point and all 9 were profitable. Every trade is in a chronological order. Let's start with Monday. First stock is RIVN. RIVN had a level $61 established by previous day low, and RIVN opened with a gap down below this level. This is a short situation immediately, quick scalp within 10 minutes and about $2 take profit. Next trade on Monday is Bumble. Level is 30.10. Day before price closed below this level and established consolidation. That's a short situation from the first seconds. First candle confirmed the weakness of buyers. On the next candle, short position was opened, and after $1 move to the downside, position was closed. Next trade was on Beyond Meat. I made several trades during this week with this stock. Psychological number $60 was taken as a level. Price opened with a gap down on a weak market. I considered to short this stock after a false breakout. So there was a candle to the upside, and next 5-minute candle returned price below $6. By stop sell order, short position was opened, and after quick move within 15 minutes to the downside, position was closed with a $1.50 approximately take profit per share. Next trade was also on Beyond Meat on Wednesday. This is very interesting situation. First of all, we got a gap but market still was weak. Secondly, major resistance zone, this is blue rectangle, and I was looking if price could break and close above this resistance zone. When price depicted a disability and rejection, I was looking for a safe entry point. Another signal for me was 2 indicators. First, that's a crossing of EMA 21 and EMA 9, and second indicator, it's a crossing on a stochastic slope. And after I got crossing on these 2 indicators, after closing this red 1-minute candle, I opened my short position, and after making about $1 move to the downside, position was closed. And all next trades were made on Friday. First ticker is SLDP. Beautiful level 6.12 established by previous day low with a consolidation. Consolidation, that's always a confirmation of the level. So on a weak market, I expected to short this stock below the level, and price opened above it, but make a sharp move to the downside. Next 15 minutes, stock made a sharp move to the downside. So my profit target was reached. Next stock MNTS, the similar situation, all-time low, level 3.11 established by previous day low and several days before. That was a confirmation, and I expected to short the stock after closing below this important level. So after closing below on a 5-minute chart, short position was opened about 3.09, and after move to the next resistance 2.88, short position was closed. Beautiful clean price action. It was just perfect. Next trade was also made on Beyond Meat stock. In that case, major level was $56. First of all, this is round number. Secondly, that was a low of the previous trading session. Low was established by this consolidation, which made this level more clear and helped to gather more stop losses, to have more energy for a movement. So after 2 5-minute candles on Friday, using indicators and looking for S&P 500 chart that showed a weakness, I prepared my stop sell order, and below $56 position was entered, and after only $1 move, this exit arrow on screenshot is wrong, because I took only $1 to the downside and closed my short position with profits. And next trade, ticker TSP. I traded a breakout of a level of all-time low. Level was established with a price action on a previous day. At the end of the trading session there was a beautiful consolidation that established a range with two clear levels. Breaking of the level 15.72 gave me an entry point for a short and confirmation of a continuation. And after making a quick more than 20 cents movement to the downside, short position was closed, reaching my profit target. And the last trade on Friday was on ticker HLTH. The same situation, all-time low, level 7.61 established by this reversal, second reversal, third confirmation, and price closed below that level day before at the end of the trading session, establishing a beautiful consolidation below that level. For me, that's a short situation from the first seconds, and price closed with a little gap down, making even a false breakout. That's another confirmation of a short thesis. And after price returned below that level, short position was opened and stock made a gift for me, making a huge move to the downside with a 1 5-minute candle, and after it, of course, short position was closed with good profits. That's all for this week. If you have questions, feel free to ask me in the comments.